Hey, welcome back to Cookit's Art, and let's draw the silly chicken from the new game Realm Royale. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw the silly chicken, and to begin we're going to start out with the beak first. So we're just going to draw just one curve coming down. So this is going to be the top of the beak. And then right here we're just going to go across again. Okay, so that's the top beak. And then from here, we're going to draw from side to side, just a slight curve coming down. And then we're going to finish off the lower beak, which is going to come down like this. Okay, so this is going to be all dark. And let me just shade it in so we can see this a little bit better. Sometimes it gets a little confusing with just lines. Okay, so that's the beak, and now we can draw in the eye. So for the eye, you can just come up and just draw two brackets like this first. Okay, and then now we're going to draw from here on the top. It's going to be like a sad brow. So we're just going to slant down. And then now we're just going to finish off this eye shape here. So this is kind of like an egg shape, except it's got a little slant there for the brow. So we're going to come down. And that's probably the trickiest part. Okay, so now that we have the overall eye, so on this eye here, right in the middle, we're just going to draw a curve going up. So that's the lower lid. And then we'll draw in the eyeball right here. And then on this side, it's kind of closed, so just draw in two lines like this. Looks like it's kind of like a chicken that's been beaten up, right? Okay, so let's see, let's go up and let's finish up the it's got the little, what do you call this thing on the top of the chicken? I forgot what it's called. Okay, so just draw a shape like this. And now we got to draw the overall, the egg shape chicken. So we're just going to come down from here. Okay, just kind of come across the eye, come down. And then on the bottom here, this is just going to be one round shape. So this is almost exactly like an egg shape. Okay, so once you have this, let's finish this up here. We can just kind of draw one more. So it looks like there's more going back. Okay, and then from here, let's draw in the chicken wings right here. So right around here, just gonna come up. Gotta make one big curve coming down. And then from here, I'm gonna draw another one coming down. And then one more here, just kind of come down slightly, and then we're gonna curve it back all the way back to the body. Okay, and then on the other side, let's see, we're gonna come down here, almost the same spot. Just come down a little bit, and then we're gonna draw one curve going up. And then we're gonna continue this, we're gonna come down, past this, go back into the body. So this one's gonna be holding the flag. So from here now we can draw in the flag. So right around here we're just gonna go up. I was running out of space. Okay, so I'm gonna come back down, just give it a little bit of thickness. And we can draw the bottom of this, so we extend this. Just kind of close it off there. And then on the tip, we can add a little bit of detail. And then here, let's draw a couple of, this is where the flag's gonna be tied to. And then from here, we're gonna draw one curve. And now we start on this side, we're just gonna come out and just kind of taper it in slightly because it's kind of going back. And then to close it off, we're just gonna, looks like there's a little rip on the flag. Come back down. Okay, and we'll draw in the detail later, but let's finish up the chicken legs first. So right here, just gonna come down and then start right around here, come down, so a little bracket, and then we just give a little bit of zigzag. So this right here, we can start on this side first, and then here we're gonna come down, and then just a little bit of zigzag. And then for the foot here, we're just gonna come down. It's gonna be kind of small. We'll close it off and just draw a little bit of dome shape here. And then we're gonna draw another one, just a little bit sharper. So that's chicken feet, and then one more on the back. Okay, come down, dome shape. And then one on the side, it's gonna be sharper. And one small one on the back. Okay, and then let's see, we can add in some of these for the chicken feathers. So I'm just gonna add in a few. I don't want to draw too many. It gets a little bit too crowded. Okay, and then let's see, lastly, we are drawing the graphics for this flag. So this looks like another chicken, so it's just gonna be very simplified, just a little M shape. And then we're gonna curve this down. This is gonna curve down. And then we're just gonna close it off with a zigzag. And then here's the eye, just draw an X. And then one little curve on the top. And that is it for this silly chicken from Realm Royale. So hope you guys like this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.